Excuse me, ma'am. That's supposed to be my tripod. This is just not gonna work. I only ever do these when I'm not doing great mentally. Every time I have a breakdown, I'm like, I'm definitely cooking with gdawg. You fat cunt! I'm making banana chocolate chip muffins again. This is the second time we've made this recipe on cooking with gdawg. Get the fuck out. How many ripe bananas does it say? I know it says 3, but I'm gonna use 4.
I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up G.
This might just be an educational version of cooking with gdawg. I mean, it's definitely not gonna be, but we can pretend. Thumbnail. This noise is really spooky season. I could measure it, but I like living on the edge. I've made a mistake. That took it up to exactly 80. Wow, I'm a savage.
I'm a savage, you are average.
Should I do both batches at the same time or one batch at a time?
I'll do them both at the same time.
I am gonna do one at a time. I've decided. But I'm kind of lazy, so no, maybe we'll do them at the same time. I mean, that's 107 grams. Right, this is going well. Like my thanks, just butter. You know, sometimes you eat banana muffins and you're like, what the fuck, Karen? This is like the most amount of mashed banana I think I've ever seen. Like, I know I should do it better, but I don't really want to. That was a horrendous sound. I should not be using a whisk for this part. I did not use a big enough bowl. Yeah, this already doesn't look right. Sorry, we're back. I should be adding this twice. I'm gonna fold in the flour mixture so it doesn't get, I don't know, go to the back and fix my teeth. There's a little bit of something. Oh, do you know what I can do? I can do one of each colour in every row. How fun! Reusable cake liners, because we're trying to reduce the amount we're putting into the earth. So if you can get silicone cupcake liners, then you just take them out once they're done. Bish bash bosh, you know, you don't ever have to think about it again. So it's so nice. It's such a positive experience and I'm really happy about it.
It feels better, it feels better, it feels better, it feels better.
Okay, I'm gonna make the other batch.
Oh, what's that?
What's that? That's butter, egg, sugar, and banana. No, I didn't. Okay.
You didn't want.
I think I put too much flour in those ones. I can't fucking remember. I don't know why we're doing 2 things at once still. My second batch. I'm gonna put this with some film over the top in the fridge. Just put the second batch in, but these ones have come out. They look great. I thought I'd do a taste test.
So.
And then we can end this fucking video. Well, I've noticed. I've already started eating it.
Do you know what I have to say is I'm not a fan of hot.
Oh, you're just wrong.
Muffins.
You're incorrect. Hot muffins are the best.
No.
As with everything cooked and cooking with gdawg, they're not great. No, if I had have gone, I was actually going to make the batches separately, and then you told me to make them together and I got stressed and I didn't follow my gut, and that's what's fucked them up. Okay, don't just chop it that much. Fix up.